External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar has said that multilateral platforms are being misused to justify and protect perpetrators of terrorism. Addressing the inaugural function of Pramukh Swami Maharaj Shatabdi Mahotsav in Ahmedabad, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the saints of India have tied the world together by embodying the sentiment of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Home Minister Amit Shah held a meeting with Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai and Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde yesterday to discuss the border issue between the two states. The UK, France and UAE have extended their support for India's permanent membership at the United Nations Security Council UNSC. In the FIFA World Cup, defending champions France stormed into the finals as Theo Hernandez and super sub Randall Kolo Muani's goal helped them beat Morocco 2-0 in the semi-final at the Al Bayt Stadium last night.